Hi, it's Mike from Infinity RFID, and I'm going to show you how to remove an RFID tag from the windshield. A couple of different ways you can do this. The hard way, Windex microfiber towel, peel it off, rub until the tag comes off. The quicker and faster way to do it is to take a tool such as this, a scraper. This one I like because this one actually has a plastic blade. You can use this on headlamps, anything plastic, and you can use this on windshields as well. You can get away with on windshields using the metal version because the steel in the blade doesn't have the ability to scratch or harm the windshield. But for extra safety, get a plastic one instead. There's definitely not a way that you're going to scratch the windshield with the plastic one. So let me show you how that's done. All right, so the first thing you do, pick at the edge of the tag. If you pick at the edge of the tag, you get the top layer. So go ahead and peel away the top layer, and that's going to take the top layer of the tag off and leave the adhesive and leave the antenna and the chip in there. So, all right, with the top layer off, next thing to do is take your scraper and start scraping the edge of the tag, right where the adhesive is. You can see the tag is actually balling up a bit. And I'm doing this left-handed, which is not my strong hand. And it's coming out pretty good, pretty easily. There we go. And now there's your RFID tag. And last, hit it with some Windex and with the microfiber towel, and get off any residue that might be on the tag, or on the windshield. All right, with the tag off, last thing, hit it with your Windex, microfiber towel, get any residue off. It might still be on the windshield. All right, there you have it.